Across history, humanity has uncovered wonders beyond imagination, piecing together the story of our planet and our place within it. Yet, for all our progress, some secrets remain untouched, locked away in time, their origins shrouded in mystery. These ancient puzzles defy science and time, standing as silent challenges to our understanding. They remind us how fragile our knowledge truly is, humbling us with the realization that we are but recent arrivals in a world with a history far deeper than we can fully comprehend. They invite us to wonder, to speculate, and to accept that some truths may forever lie just beyond our reach. On the Giza Plateau, beneath the Egyptian sun, stands the Great Pyramid, a monument that has captivated humanity for over 4 millennia. It is the last of the 7 wonders of the ancient world, a testament to ambition and engineering that still baffles us today. Built from over 2 million stone blocks, some weighing up to 80 tons, its construction remains a logistical mystery. How did a civilization with only copper tools achieve such precision? Theories of ramps and levers seem inadequate when faced with the pyramid's scale and accuracy. The base is nearly a perfect square, aligned almost flawlessly to the cardinal points. The mortar binding the stones is stronger than the stone itself, and its composition remains unknown. Inside, a complex network of chambers and passages was planned from the start, including the enigmatic Grand Gallery and the granite coffer in the King's Chamber. Too large to fit through the corridors, it had to be placed during construction. Strangely, there are no blueprints or detailed records explaining how it was built, despite the Egyptians' reputation for meticulous documentation. This silence has fueled countless theories, lost technologies, advanced techniques, even celestial alignments with Orion. Some suggest the pyramid is a star map, a message for future generations, or perhaps for beings beyond our world. The workforce, once thought to be slaves, is now believed to have been skilled laborers, well-fed and organized. Yet the scale of the project remains staggering. Every day, hundreds of blocks had to be perfectly placed, requiring project management that rivals modern standards. The Great Pyramid stands as both a solid fact and a vessel of mystery, challenging our assumptions about ancient knowledge. It suggests that our ancestors may have possessed wisdom we have since lost. As the sun sets, the pyramid keeps its secrets, a silent reminder that the past is not always as we imagine. It does not yield its mysteries easily. It simply stands, a powerful testament to human ingenuity and to the enduring enigma of history. The more we learn, the more the pyramid seems to ask, what else have we forgotten? And what wonders still lie hidden, waiting to be rediscovered? In Yale's Beinecke Library lies the Voynich manuscript, a book that has defied every attempt at decipherment for over a century. Its pages are filled with an elegant script belonging to no known language, following linguistic patterns but revealing no meaning. Not a single word has ever been translated. The manuscript's illustrations only deepen the mystery. Botanical drawings of plants that don't exist, astronomical diagrams with unknown constellations, and pages of strange figures bathing in bizarre, organic structures. Is it a lost language, a cipher, or an elaborate hoax? If it's a hoax, it's a masterful one. Its script is consistent and complex. Some believe it's a record of a forgotten people, others, a code with an unbreakable key. The world's greatest codebreakers, from Woi2 cryptanalysts to modern AI, have all failed to unlock its secrets. Theories abound: a channeling of divine language, a work of outsider art, or a message meant to remain forever hidden. The manuscript's history is as mysterious as its contents. Carbon dated to the 1400s, it passed through the hands of emperors, alchemists, and scholars before vanishing for centuries. Today, it sits in a glass case, a perfect enigma. It is tangible proof of a lost worldview, a message in a bottle from a distant shore. Its meaning is lost, but its allure endures. The Voynich manuscript is a reminder that some knowledge can vanish, leaving only questions behind. It challenges us to imagine what stories, what wisdom, and what dreams are locked within its unreadable script. Is it a key to forgotten science, a work of pure fantasy, or something else entirely? We may never know. But its mystery continues to inspire wonder and curiosity. It is a conversation across centuries, one we may never answer. And perhaps that is its greatest power. The book that cannot be read ensures the past will never be fully silent. In the Nazca Desert of Peru, hundreds of gigantic geoglyphs, known as the Nazca Lines, stretch across the arid landscape. These colossal figures, some hundreds of meters long, depict animals, plants, and geometric shapes, visible only from the air. The Nazca people, with no known technology for flight, created these precise designs without ever seeing them in full. How did they achieve such scale and accuracy? The lines run for miles, perfectly straight, over hills and ravines. Theories about their purpose abound. Some believe the lines form an astronomical calendar, aligning with celestial events. Others see them as ceremonial pathways, walked during religious rituals. Recent research suggests they may point to sources of water, vital in one of the world's driest places. The hummingbird, for example, is linked to rain in Andean cultures. Fringe theories propose the lines were messages or runways for extraterrestrials, but no evidence supports this. The creation of the lines required organized labor and community effort over generations. Yet, the Nazca left no written records to explain their masterpiece. Their story is told in these silent, sprawling figures carved into the earth. The lines have survived for nearly 2,000 years, preserved by the desert's unique climate. They are a fragile legacy, easily erased by time or weather. As we gaze down from above, we witness a culture's vision that transcended individual lives. The Nazca Lines are a profound statement about the human need to communicate with forces larger than ourselves. Their meaning may be lost, but their impact endures. They remind us that some messages are meant for the ages, even if their secrets remain hidden. The desert canvas continues to inspire awe and wonder, a mystery written on the skin of the planet. In the North Atlantic, the Bermuda Triangle, marked by Bermuda, Florida, and Puerto Rico, has become synonymous with inexplicable disappearances. Ships and planes are said to vanish without a trace, fueling legends and speculation. The myth began with incidents like the disappearance of Flight 19 in 1945. 5 Navy bombers lost, followed by a rescue plane that also vanished. No wreckage was ever found. Other cases, like the USS Cyclops and the Carroll A. Deering, add to the Triangle's reputation as a uniquely dangerous place. Explanations range from scientific to supernatural. Some point to methane gas eruptions from the ocean floor, which could cause ships to sink instantly and leave no trace. The Gulf Stream's powerful currents and sudden storms can also create deadly conditions. The region's deep waters make recovery of wreckage nearly impossible. Pilots have reported electronic fog and compass anomalies, leading to theories about magnetic fields affecting navigation. The Triangle is one of only 2 places where true north and magnetic north align, possibly confusing instruments. Folklore offers more dramatic answers: time warps, portals, Atlantis, and UFOs. Yet skeptics argue that the number of disappearances is not unusual for such a heavily traveled area. Many incidents have logical explanations or have been exaggerated over time. Still, the legend endures because it taps into our fear of the unknown and the power of nature. The Bermuda Triangle is a place where our control and understanding seem to dissolve. Even in the age of GPS, the ocean can still swallow our creations whole. It is a modern mystery, a reminder that some places resist explanation. The Triangle's allure lies in its unanswered questions. It challenges us to confront the limits of our knowledge, and it keeps the spirit of mystery alive in a world that craves certainty. From Egypt's pyramids to the depths of the Atlantic, these mysteries are more than unsolved puzzles. They are threads in our collective story. They remind us that not everything was meant to be explained, and some questions are more powerful than their answers. These enigmas challenge our certainty and invite us to dream beyond what we know. Perhaps the inability to solve them is a gift, keeping the past alive and inspiring awe. Which of these mysteries fascinates you most? The pyramid's genius, the manuscript's riddle, the desert's art, or the triangle's legend? Tell us in the comments, and don't miss the next episode of Mysteries That Will Never Be Solved, because the unknown is where the story truly begins. And in that mystery, we find wonder that never fades.